Hello everybody, I'm Hacker Panda, back again. But instead of Minecraft, we're gonna do some Catbird. I already kind of started this. Yeah, so I'm gonna start from all the way from the beginning, just because.
Just because of you.
Of course, I start out as a little catbird. It's like level 1, but it's easy. Little tutorial. No, darn it! And I died in the tutorial. Why? And add. Anyway, but I'm gonna be good this time. And why am I dying in a tutorial? You know what? I'll be back when I finish this. Okay, I finished it. I see what I was doing wrong. And and I am a pro at this. Pro. Or, for goodness sake, anyway, after that ad, interrupted me, I'm back again. Sorry, little guys, I'm gonna have to squish you. Well, they're still moving under there. I don't think they're dead. Hopefully. They're probably dead. Yeah. Of course, because I've done this before. This one before. I am a pro at it. No! Why? I am not a pro at this. Okay, I have to jump. Okay. Doop-a-doop-a. Oh, Spike's coming. No! That was so close. Push, 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 push. Nope, jump. Push, 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 push. I can make it up. Perfect. What's back here? Should I try to make it or should I not? Nah, I'm not gonna make it. Boop. And And I was at the brig, just inches away from death. Very inches away. Okay, now. Yes! And now I'm at the one that, I got stuck on and died a lot. Great. Bruh. Pro at dodging those spikes. I'm gonna be such a pro and I'm gonna make this. No! For goodness sake. Another ad. What? It started me all over again. Or... No, I don't think it did. No, it didn't. Good. Well, it did. Knit. Darn it. For goodness sake, I was right there! Come on, catbird, you can fly. You can't fly. What? Again? There's way too many ads on this. The consequence of free apps. Am I right? Boy. Yay. So far, so good. Okay, now this last spike. It all depends on this last spike. Perfect. Now to cross the cloud death thing. And to get the key. I'm not that big of a pro. Oh, for goodness sake! Oh, I got too close to that. That's my fault. Just inches away from death. But hopefully I can make it through this. Hopefully. Very hopefully. Also, you might notice something. I now mentioning that I got a new screen recorder. Where am I going? I have to go this way. Yes, but I got a new screen recorder. That's whatever it is called, Moza or something, is really horrible. You gotta be kidding me! Ah! Oh my goodness. Okay. I know that I can make it this time. Just have to believe. Believing does nothing. Believing is fake. Believing will not help you. Okay, this time I'm gonna believe harder. I'm gonna believe that I can do it. I believe. Screw believing. Okay. I'm almost there. If I don't die, then I can make it. Very simple. Okay. I'm almost there. I can make it. I can make it. Okay. No! Why am I so dumb? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Ah. And another ad. You gotta be kidding me. Well, I am clearly not a pro at this. I'm gonna end this episode here. Bye guys. I'll probably continue this. See part 2 pretty soon. Hopefully I'll be a master of pro by the time part 2 comes out. But anyway, see you guys.